Hello guys, nandito tayo sa Montalban Rest House at nag-rearrange tayo ng ating kitchen at sala. So, ito na yung bago nating itsura. So binalik lang natin yung stove sa dati niyang peso. By the way, we have two stoves there para may spare kung sakaling hindi gumana yung isa. Now, yung ating games na isang box dyan, nilipat na natin dito sa may unahan ng TV. And then, we still have our center table. So, ito na yung lalagyanan. May shelf na tayo. Premium Netflix natin. Tapos, meron tayong video okay. Meron tayong game console. May isang box ng board and card games. Then, 400 Mbps na internet with landline pa. Sa toilet and bathroom natin, meron tayong bidet. May heater provided ang toilet paper. May shampoo, may body soap, may towel. By the way, free pala ang parking natin. Nakakyat tayo, nag-setup lang tayo ng one aircon bedroom. No, we have two aircon bedrooms, so pwede nyo po siyang ma-rent ng one aircon bedroom lang. Isasara lang natin yung other bedroom. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung halimbawa 2 packs lang, one aircon bedroom, ito lang pong tsura niya. So, basically, isang bed lang instead of 3 beds. We still have 20% off pag 2 nights kayo, 3 nights 25% off. 5 nights, 30% off. At pag 1 week, 32% off. 2 weeks, 35% off. So, pag tumatagal, mas nagiging mura. So, yung 20% off, as low as 1,340 per night po tayo. Monday to Thursday. May 4 packs po kayo, 2 beds po yan. So, kung value for money hanap nyo, dito na kayo. So, book now!